Okay, Marla, I'm going to take this video like you're walking in. This is the center of the unit door coming in. So when you first walk in, you have your kitchen on your left. As I said, very nicely staged. And this is the cut through to the living area. And then this is where I just walked in. First door, you have the half bath, nice and bright. Next door is the little coat closet, and then the stackable washer and dryer. So I know this is going to be really rough, but at least it gives you a general idea. And then as you continue down, you have your second door, more of the front, what we call the front of the building, that faces the water, the parking lot, and the carport area. Your fireplace, and it is a gas fireplace. And then the view from the front door is, when you walk in, is the living area and the kitchen. I'm going to stop it here before I go up the steps just for space.